Okay, we want to get to your weather because it was a warm one again today. Pretty sunny. It started off very gloomy.
It did the June gloom, as we well know. Let's get to Olga Ospina now with our next weather forecast. And Olga, you're saying 80s and 90s for some spots.
80s and 90s. That's going to be the story as we head into the coming days. But also that June gloom. It was in full force this morning. The low clouds and fog do return as we head into later tonight and into early tomorrow. Today, though, we had some clearing, even for some coastal areas. We finally saw some sunshine, but it was a little slow for some of us. That warming trend does continue through the middle of the week, and that means 80s and 90s for inland spots. Cooling, though, as we head into the weekend. It's not going to be cold, though, by any means. By the weekend, we're talking temperatures getting back to average. So pretty nice forecast for the next 7 days. Satellite radar showing us mostly clear skies tonight, but Futurecast will bring in that cloud cover as we head into early tomorrow morning, and then some sunshine and warmer temperatures tomorrow than what we felt this afternoon as we head into Monday. Same pattern. So that's going to continue to be the story. And then the clouds retreat to the coastline by the afternoon. For places like Van Nuys, if you are in the San Fernando Valley, you're already going to see some sunshine by the late morning hours. But for other areas, places like Orange County along the coast, it's going to take a little bit longer. And some of you may not even see sunshine. Chino, another area that's going to see some clearer conditions by the late morning hours. Here's Costa Mesa, though. By 11 a.m., you are still seeing mostly cloudy skies and temperatures still in the 60s and 70s, but some inland spots tomorrow afternoon. Santa Clarita, one of the warmer locations at 87. We have upper 90s for the Antelope Valley and low 90s also for San Bernardino into Riverside. Hemet, 83 in Claremont, and along the coastline, 73 in Malibu, 68 degrees in Laguna Beach. As we take a look at the next 7 days, numbers will be in the low 80s. That's above average, and that's going to continue through Wednesday. Upper 70s returning Thursday, and then mid 70s by Friday, Saturday. So this is a little closer to where we should be for this time of year, but temperatures will be running above average for most of the week. Next 7 days for the valleys, upper 80s through Wednesday, mid 80s return on Thursday, and then you are back into the upper 70s and low 80s late in the week. Inland Empire, 90s. It's going to be hot these next several days through Wednesday, upper 80s on Thursday, and then mid 80s return for Friday, Saturday. So a nice weekend ahead, comfortable temperatures. Deserts also seeing that cool down from the upper 90s into the upper 80s by Friday, Saturday. Mountain areas, upper 70s turning into low 70s by late week. And for the beaches, mostly in the 70s over the extended period. Back to you.
Decades we've been forecasting the weather the exact same way, with a green screen. Well, you've seen what we can do with this. Wait until you see what we can do with this. It is the next weather sphere. Starting next week, it's only on KCAL News.
Now you can get your KCAL News, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.